Hi dear students, welcome you all to another session of Brainiacs Doubt Clearance. So we have a good question in front of you. I will just read the question. A gaseous hydrocarbon gives upon combustion 0.72 gram water and 3.08 gram of carbon dioxide. The empirical formula of the hydrocarbon is. So we have four options as well. So how to do this question? So they are telling it's a hydrocarbon, so it means combustion will give you what water and carbon dioxide, correct? So we will just analyze. So we know that from our fundamentals we know that 8 what is the okay, we will write water. One product is water, so what is the molecular mass of water? I can say it is 18 gram. So if it is 18 gram, that is molar mass, correct? Molecular mass expressed in grams, or we can say molar mass. Now similarly, carbon dioxide, what is the molar mass for carbon dioxide? We know it is 44 gram, correct? So now if you see here, 18 gram of this water contains how much gram of hydrogen? I can say 2 gram of hydrogen, so I can write 18 gram of water, it of water has 2 gram of hydrogen, correct? 2 gram of hydrogen. Now we need to find out in 0.72 gram of water how much gram of hydrogen is there. So we need to convert 18 gram to 0.72 gram. So first convert this to 1 gram. So divide by 18 on both sides. Okay, so this will become 1 gram of water. 1 gram of water has 2 by 18, correct? On both sides we should divide. 2 by 18 gram hydrogen. Now we need to convert this to 0.72 gram water. For that we will multiply by 0.72 on both sides. So this will become 0.72 gram of water, correct, has 2 by 18 into 0.72 gram hydrogen. Now what is this value equal to? So if you divide, this value will be equal to 0.08 gram hydrogen. Now I have found out in 0.72 gram of water what is the amount of hydrogen. Why I am doing this? So if I get the mass of the hydrogen in that, corresponding to that I can find out the number of moles, correct? So if similarly if I find out the number of moles of carbon, that ratio will give me the simplest formula between carbon and hydrogen. That will be my empirical formula. Okay, so that is the reason why I am doing this. Now similarly we will do it with the carbon dioxide. So we know that we will write here 44 gram, okay, of CO2 has how much amount of carbon present? We know 12 gram of carbon is present. So let's find out for 1 gram. For that we will divide by 44 on both sides. So this will become 1 gram of CO2 has 12 divided by 44 gram of carbon, correct? So we need to convert this to how much gram? In the question they have given, if you see here, I can say in the question they have given value of carbon dioxide as 3.08 gram of carbon dioxide. So we will multiply with 3.08 on both sides. So multiplying with 3.08 on both sides, so this will become 3.08 gram of carbon dioxide, which has a mass of 12 by 44 into 3.08 gram, correct? 3.08 gram carbon. And if you divide, this value will come around 0.84 gram carbon. Now I know the amount of carbon and amount of hydrogen that is present in the given gram. 0.72 gram water has 0.08 gram hydrogen, and 3.08 gram of carbon dioxide has 0.84 gram of carbon. Now we will find out the corresponding moles ratio. So I can say the number of moles of hydrogen, number of moles of hydrogen is equal to how, what? Weight in gram. Weight in gram is how much we have calculated that 0.08. So we will say 0.08 divided by the mass of hydrogen. So we know the mass of hydrogen being 1. So we will get this as 0.08. Correct? So similarly, the number of moles of carbon. Number of moles of carbon is equal to weight in gram. We have calculated that 0.84 divided by atomic mass of carbon, that is 12. So if you divide this, you will get it as 0.07. Correct? 0.07. Okay. Now we will try to see the simplest ratio of this one. Okay. So we can say this is equal to carbon is to hydrogen is equal to 0.07 is to 0.08. So that means we cannot further make this to simplest value. So the value should be, since it is a ratio, we can say this is can be round as 7 is to 8. Correct? So we say the simplest formula possible is C7H8. Correct? So I hope you understood. So we will see whether this option is there. C7H8. Yes, it is present as option D. So I can mark that as my answer for this question. So if you have understood this question, please like our videos and share to your friends. And if you need more lectures to understand more on empirical formula and theory, you can contact Brainiacs Classes to get complete video lectures. Okay, thank you.